Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are into yerba mate, you have got to check out this Kalmateh stainless steel yerba mate gourd. So it is really fun. As you can see, it's very similar to a traditional yerba mate gourd in style, but because it's stainless steel, it definitely has a modern twist. What I love most about it is it's easy to clean. You can just throw away your old yerba when you're done and clean it out with soap and water and you're good to go. I also really like that it has double walls, so it's got a little bit of that extra insulation. When you put your hot water in, you're not going to burn your hands as easily, which is something that I think is really cool about this yerba mate gourd. It's been great. My husband drinks a lot of yerba mate and he loves it as well. And that is my point of view.